Many great books were written around 30-40 years ago or more. So how can we apply or modify those concepts of old time so that we can use them in present sense?
Many
Sanjay
of
Amir asking.
Yeah, it's a very smart question. I really admire this question. Yeah, we can categorize books into two types. One who are perennial, which are perennial, means timeless. Chanakya Niti, written 4,000 years ago, and I read it 2 years ago. Still so relevant. Yeah, but I've put a warning in my summary as well that in those days, women were looked down by men, and Chanakya has written really harsh about women. Women should stay at home वगैरह. मैं अगर वो सब लिखूंगा तो मैं जेल के अंदर जाऊंगा. So I've put a disclaimer at the beginning of the summary. I ignored those. Of course, we have our own prudence and logic. And of course, these things were relevant 5,000 years ago, not anymore. But I learned what I'm supposed to learn from Chanakya. The shrewd mind, the political diplomacy he had, right? Amazing words of wisdom that I learned from him. Books like How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. अगला 1,000 साल भी तुम पढ़ोगे को they are relevant. But some books which are trendy, like social media marketing, कोई book. Of course, Facebook is not going to be here for after 100 years for sure. That book will become irrelevant. Yeah. So you come to know there is not a big deal. You don't have to modify anything. You immediately you how do you come to know what to be ignored and what to be taken? Again, by reading many books. One book is not going to change your life. So even successful people say that book has changed my life. I owe my success to that book. Still, they are wrong. They are under an illusion. That's why I stand for reading habit. I don't stand for even books. I stand for reading habit. Reading habit means read book after book after book after book, and there is some uh, amazing power in that accumulated knowledge which you gain after hundreds of books. And unfortunately, it is invisible. Okay, whatever I'm speaking for last 45 minutes is an accumulation of knowledge that I've gained from thousands of books. I have more than 450 videos on YouTube where I've shared so many ideas from the great books that I've read. There are 300 book summaries on Booklet app. So many stuff. Tiny booklet section है booklet app में where I share one big idea every day in just 150 words. That is 1 minute read. So many things. So you get to know when even if there are contradictory views between the authors, you come to know which one you should take, which one you should ignore, but only if you have read many books in the past. All right. I can't, it can't be taught, but it can be learned. All right.